And that is actor turned Neta Kamal Hassan, who is over here to give his nomination for Rajya Sabha MP seat. And in fact, his actual Makkal Nidhi Mayam, the political journey began almost in 2019 with a huge campaign, and he went across the state carrying a torch, and he said that he is going to shine light against corruption and such. And then Kamal Hassan in 2021 vehemently campaigned, and he contested in a constituency at Coimbatore, and in that area he could not win. It was Vanadi Srinivasan of BJP who turned out to be MLA. Then there was talks that in 2024 he is going to contest in the elections. However, MNM, his party Makkal Nidhi Mayam, decided to go ahead and sign a pact with the ruling DMK that they will support DMK, for which they will get one Rajya Sabha seat, which has been now allotted to Kamal Hassan, the actor, the Neta, and soon to be Rajya Sabha MP, who is now at Secretariat to file the nomination papers. And that is Kamal Hassan, who has filed the nomination for the Rajya Sabha MP. And here you could see the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin was there, Deputy Chief Minister Udinidhi Stalin, Tiruma Valavan of VCK, and Selva Perundagai, the State Congress President, were present along with him. Along with Kamal Hassan, three candidates from DMK also filed their nominations for the Rajya Sabha, of which the repeat candidate was Advocate Wilson. And now, after filing the nominations, Kamal Hassan is leaving from the Secretariat. In fact, very interestingly, it looked like DMK has decided to go ahead and wheel Kamal Hassan this time, and there was a kind of like criticism because earlier it was Vaiko of MDMK who was also there. In fact, his son Durai Vaiko also claimed that a Rajya Sabha seat was assured for MDMK, and he said that maybe in the future DMK will go ahead and provide it. But that is Kamal Hassan who has filed the nomination finally, and him being a Neta is finally going to enter Rajya Sabha, and now he has filed nominations for that. He said that he has done it for the betterment of the nation. He said Natakaga, which means for the nation. And Kamal Hassan, who once criticized DMK vehemently, has gone ahead and now filed nominations to become a member of Rajya Sabha, thereby in alliance with DMK. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav for Interesting.